Welsh onion is an onion that refused to become a bulb. While most onions focused on swelling underground, Welsh onion chose height, continuity, and endurance. It grows tall, hollow, and green, season after season, without forming the round bulb most people associate with onions. This single decision shaped its entire identity. Botanically, Welsh onion is Allium fistulosum. Despite the name, it has nothing to do with Wales. The term, Welsh, comes from an old word meaning foreign. This already tells you something important. Welsh onion has always been a traveler. Its origins trace back to East Asia, particularly China and Siberia. From there, it spread across Asia, Europe, and eventually the world. It adapted easily because it was never demanding. Cold-tolerant, disease-resistant, and perennial, it became a farmer's ally. Structurally, Welsh onion grows in clumps. Each plant produces hollow, cylindrical green leaves emerging from a small white base. There is no true bulb, only a slight thickening at the bottom. The leaves are crisp when young and fibrous as they mature. Flavor-wise, Welsh onion sits perfectly between onion and chives. It is sharper than leeks, gentler than raw onion, and more assertive than chives. The taste is clean, oniony, and fresh, without lingering harshness. This balance is why it appears everywhere. From East Asian soups to European omelettes, from street food garnishes to fermented dishes, Welsh onion fits without forcing itself. In Chinese cuisine, it is foundational. Scallion oil, dumpling fillings, stir-fries, and soups rely on it. In Japanese cooking, it appears as negi, essential for ramen and hot pots. In Korean food, it forms the backbone of kimchi bases and pancakes. Unlike bulb onions, Welsh onion is often used in layers. The white base brings sweetness and body. The green tops add aroma and brightness. Few vegetables offer this internal range. Cooking transforms Welsh onion dramatically. Raw, it is crisp and sharp. Gently cooked, it softens and sweetens. Fully cooked, it dissolves into savory depth. This versatility makes it indispensable. It also performs well across cooking methods. Sauté brings sweetness. Grilling adds smoky notes. Simmering releases sulfur compounds slowly, enriching broths. Fermenting tames sharpness and deepens complexity. Nutritionally, Welsh onion punches above its weight. It provides vitamin C for immune function, vitamin K for blood health, vitamin A for vision, and folate for cell growth. It also contains antioxidants and sulfur compounds common to alliums. These sulfur compounds are linked to cardiovascular support and antimicrobial properties. While cooking reduces their intensity, it also improves digestibility, making Welsh onion easier on the stomach than raw bulb onion. Fiber content supports gut health, especially when consumed regularly in small amounts. This aligns perfectly with cultures that use it daily rather than occasionally. Agriculturally, Welsh onion is a workhorse. It tolerates frost, regrows after harvest, and resists pests better than many alliums. Farmers can cut it repeatedly instead of replanting. Because it grows upright and compact, it fits well in small gardens and urban farming systems. This makes it relevant again in modern sustainability conversations. One of Welsh onion's biggest advantages is continuity. It does not demand seasonal replanting. Once established, it provides steady yield. This reliability shaped its cultural role as a dependable food source. Visually, Welsh onion is simple and functional. Long green tubes, clean lines, minimal ornament. It does not try to impress aesthetically, yet it communicates freshness immediately. The biggest mistake with Welsh onion is overcooking the green parts. The tops lose aroma if exposed to high heat too long. Proper use respects each section. Another mistake is treating it as interchangeable with bulb onion. Welsh onion is not a substitute. It is a different tool entirely. Culturally, Welsh onion symbolizes endurance. In several Asian traditions, it represents longevity and renewal. Its ability to regrow mirrors resilience. In Wales itself, despite the misleading name, the leek is the national symbol, not Welsh onion. Yet the confusion highlights how deeply alliums are tied to identity. Welsh onion does not dominate dishes. It supports them. It lifts flavors, connects ingredients, and provides continuity from start to finish. It is rarely the star, but when it is missing, everything feels incomplete. Welsh onion is proof that food does not need to evolve into extremes. Sometimes refusing to become something else is the strength.